Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another episode of High-End Horizons, your go-to channel for all things cutting edge. Today, we're going on a journey to build a private and secure smart home from scratch. But here's the twist. We're going to break our own rule and let our smart home have a chat with GPT-4, the latest language model by OpenAI. Let me paint you a picture of my daily routine. I wake up at 5 a.m., grope around for the light switch, stumble into the kitchen to microwave a breakfast hot pocket, check on my baby, fire up my computer, and wait for what feels like an eternity for Windows to update. Write some code, make a YouTube video, microwave a lean pocket for lunch, and finally, clean up. Sounds familiar? Each time I flip a switch, it takes 500,000 microseconds out of my day. It might not seem like much, but over a year, that's 2 weeks spent just turning lights on and off. 2 weeks! That's where home automation comes in. Home Assistant, an open-source tool that can automate and control all the technology in your home, is a lifesaver and a time saver. Today, we'll build a smart home from scratch and explore the myriad possibilities home automation offers. But we're not just making our lives easier here. We're also taking a stance on privacy. With Home Assistant, all the data stays private to your home network, keeping the curious eyes of hackers and federal agencies at bay. But wait, there's more. We're also going to integrate our home data with OpenAI's GPT-4 and get a peek into what the smart homes of the future might look like. But first, let's get the basics in place. You'll need a dedicated server or machine to host your Home Assistant. An old computer works just fine, and Home Assistant runs on Mac, Windows, and Linux. But for optimal performance, we recommend a Raspberry Pi. I'll be using a Raspberry Pi 4 for our demo today. Setting up Home Assistant involves a few steps. You need to download the Raspberry Pi Imager program, select the Home Assistant distro for your Pi model, and write it to your SD card. Then, you connect your Pi to the power supply. Hook it up to your Wi-Fi router using an Ethernet cable, and voila! You can access the Home Assistant dashboard from your local network. This is where the magic happens. You can manage all your smart devices from this dashboard, from simple tasks like turning on lights and heating up your breakfast to complex automation like setting up alarms and regulating temperature. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, GPT Chat GPT. Now, brace yourself for the real game changer, integrating our smart home with OpenAI's GPT-4. This integration is available right on the Home Assistant dashboard, and all it needs is your OpenAI API key. Once you've keyed in your API, GPT-4 can receive prompts or commands in the context of your home's data. You can ask it questions about the state of your home or tell it to execute a certain action. Just imagine the possibilities. GPT-4 can essentially become your home's personal assistant. The integration is seamless. You will notice a chat icon on the dashboard, which you can use to converse with GPT-4. But for now, GPT-4 can't control your home directly, a safety measure to prevent any potential smart home takeover scenarios. But imagine a future where this AI can take control under your supervision, of course. It could adjust the thermostat based on weather forecasts, turn off unnecessary lights when everyone's out, or even make you a cup of coffee when it senses you're about to wake up. However, remember to tread with caution. Dean Koontz, the author who foresaw a Wuhan-like virus in the 80s, also penned a novel titled Demon Seed, where a hyper-intelligent smart home system goes rogue. So, always remember to balance convenience with safety when it comes to home automation. Before we wrap up, let's not forget a crucial aspect of home automation: safety and security. The convenience of a smart home comes with the responsibility of ensuring its secure operation. Firstly, always secure your Wi-Fi network. Since this forms the backbone of your smart home, it's imperative that your Wi-Fi network is secure. Use strong, unique passwords and consider setting up a guest network for your devices. Regularly update your devices. Updates not only provide new features, but also fix security vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Make sure all your smart devices, your home assistant software, and the server it's running on are always updated to the latest version. Use a firewall and consider a VPN. A firewall can block unauthorized access to your network, and a VPN can encrypt your internet connection, adding an extra layer of security. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA wherever possible. This simple step significantly increases the security of your accounts. And lastly, back up your data regularly. If something goes wrong, having a recent backup can get you back up and running in no time. And that's it for today, folks. You're now equipped to embark on your smart home journey with Home Assistant and GPT-4. Remember, this is just the beginning. With technology evolving at a rapid pace, who knows what the future holds? We'll keep exploring and keep you updated right here on High-End Horizons. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay excited, and as always, keep reaching for those high-end horizons. See you in our next adventure.